Today we're here with our favorite left guard, Derk, and we're going to be drinking some juice. And he's nicely poured out some. The first one is lemonade, popular brand, nice and cold. And so,
cheers. I mean, I knew this one was going to be good. Because Minute Maid's actually my favorite brand of lemonade. Lemonade's my favorite drink.
My favorite drink as well. So that was a no-brainer, the first one.
Yeah.
Let's see how we do on the next.
Undoubtedly. This is the pineapple juice here. Dole. Don't have too much experience with this brand, but we'll give her a try. Not too much. I'm not too excited about this one, but we'll see. There you go, Dal. Close the cap. Alright, pineapple juice.
I don't know if pineapple juice is my second favorite drink, but it's right up there. So it's two no-brainers for me.
Yeah, it's not bad. And you definitely taste the sweetness, too, for sure.
Yeah.
Which is what you want in pineapple juice. Then this is the grapefruit juice, I believe. This one might be the worst one. I'm gonna be honest. This one's probably gonna be the worst one. That's why I didn't pour a lot. And yeah, it is the grapefruit juice. Had to double check. All right, cheers, Del. No. Little too tart for me, honestly. A little too tart.
I think grapefruit juice, you have to develop a taste for it, which for a long time I didn't care for it, but I can tolerate it now. But outside of when you put it next to my two favorites, or definitely my one favorite, and the other one might be third or fourth or something, but it's right up there. You put it next to it, it's the other two went out. But I don't have anything against the grapefruit. It's just something, like I say, you have to develop a taste for it.
Yeah, it's definitely more of an acquired taste where you either really like it or you really hate it. And in this case, I really hate it. It's way too tart for me. Where these two, I mean this one especially, but these two are a lot sweeter. I mean, obviously, because it's just lemonade and pineapple. And that's just how the fruits are. Like, it is grapefruit juice. Tastes like grapefruit, but it's just not my cup of tea.
So there you have your evals. 2 opinions this time instead of 1.
Yeah.
Subscribe and comment. Thumb up and share.
Subscribe.
I had the product faces towards the camera, and the calories and statistics were looking back at me. Now, what would you guess at home would have the most calories? And there's one in the middle. And Matt gets to look at the answers too.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll give you the most calories is our pineapples here. And the fewest was our favorite number 1 pick. There was no disputing that. We both liked this the best. So that's the fewest calories. And then this was in the middle. So, and there were a few more remarks we made about this when we were off camera. And they were maybe better left off camera. But it is kind of it's something, like I said twice before, you got to develop a taste for it. It's something, if you were surprised, if somebody poured you this as a surprise, it would be a surprise. And so is what it is. That's our eval.
Yeah, and going back to the nutritional facts, one thing I was surprised about is how the lemonade actually has less sugar than the pineapple. Whereas you can see, the pineapple, I believe, is 26 grams of sugar, and then the lemonade is about 17 grams of sugar per serving. So that really surprised me, because normally people associate lemonade with like a lot of sugar mainly.
That's a good point, and I think that's per 8-ounce glass.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's correct.
that's a good point.
So yeah, that definitely actually has the least out of all of these, I believe. Yeah, it has the least because this one is 21 grams of sugar. So it's kind of surprising that the drink with the least amount of sugar tasted the best. It's pretty interesting.
Get the most from the least.
Exactly. Best bang for your buck.